Hey there friend, if you can find the logout button on X, you are definitely not alone. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to sign out of your X account on your phone. Follow this simple step, protect your privacy and stay in control of your account without any confusion or waste time. Let's get started. First of all, open the X Twitter app on your phone and make sure to use the updated version of the app. After that, look at the top left corner. Here you can find your profile icon. Tap to open it. After opening this page, scroll down to the bottom, click on settings and privacy. Then click on your account. After that, tap on account information. Within the page you can see several options. Look for the bottom. Here you can find the logout button. Tap on it. After that, messages will appear. Simply tap on logout, confirm by tapping again, and wait to complete the logout process. If this guide helped, like, subscribe and share for more easy tech tutorials, tips and quick solution every single day. Bye guys.